Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the GX470 ARB compressor mount. This will hold a single or dual compressor. It's a little bit different than our Forerunner compressor mount. It has some additional add-ons. Obviously you can still mount a switch pros at the top or the bottom. We recommend the bottom just in case of water or anything gets on it. It can fall down versus sit on the controller itself. If it's a Blue Sea system, it holds a dual battery solenoid, and it also has space for you to mount a solar controller at the very bottom. Depending on your needs, you can do whatever you'd like with it, but I'm gonna go ahead and take this out back and show you some more. So first off, you're gonna insert your factory bolt locations with the bolts provided. You're gonna go ahead and install these secondary bolts for the support, which is underneath the wheel well. You're going to use our relocation bracket for this wiring, and last but not least, you're going to be loosening up this right here for you to be able to rotate it to just fit the ARB mount on. So now that we have this pre-installed, we're going to go ahead and place it on the bolts provided. Make sure everything's lined up, and it is, and you're going to go ahead and finish your wiring. So like I said before, we have additional mounting locations. This is for the Blue Sea system and your secondary battery solenoid. You still also have room, like I mentioned before, for a switch pros, and underneath it you can still mount the secondary solar controller. If you have any questions about this system, just check us out on our website at regofabrication.com, and we'd love to help. Have a great day.